Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to purify muddy water naturally at home. First, gather your muddy water in a large, clear container, like a 5-gallon bucket. Let it sit completely still for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even overnight. This allows the heavier dirt particles to settle to the bottom. Once settled, gently pour the top 2/3 of the clearer water into a separate, clean container, being careful not to disturb the sediment. Next, we'll build a simple filter. Take a clean plastic bottle and cut off the bottom, then invert it. Place a clean piece of cloth or a coffee filter inside the neck. Now, add a 2-inch layer of fine sand, followed by a 3-inch layer of coarser sand. These layers will begin to trap smaller particles, making the water much clearer as it passes through. To enhance purification, add a 2-inch layer of activated charcoal above the sand. Charcoal is excellent for absorbing impurities and odors. Then, layer 3 inches of small gravel, followed by 2 inches of larger gravel. These layers prevent the finer materials from washing away. Slowly pour your pre-settled water through this filter, collecting the filtered water below. After filtration, your water will look much cleaner, but it's crucial to make it safe for drinking. The most effective natural method is boiling. Bring the filtered water to a rolling boil for at least 1 full minute to kill any remaining bacteria or viruses. Let it cool completely before drinking. Store your newly purified water in clean, covered containers to maintain its safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.